Super duper quick way to refresh the curls using leave-in conditioner by Kriwil. First thing you gotta do is to make the hair damp or wet. I prefer to do it on damp hair karena ini kan just a quick hair retouch. So I'm gonna apply leave-in conditioner by Kriwil. This conditioner contains sea salt, vitamin B5, you can also call it panthenol, and also allantoin. The leave-in conditioner is suitable for all hair types, especially those with fine strands, those with thin strand. This will not weigh down the curls, but instead it will keep the curls intact. Mine with coarse hair, I use it as well because it's just nice. It's a very quick way to refresh the curls. It gives a beachy waves kind of look, and then just crunch it up. And I am right now using a microfiber towel. You can also get it from Kriwil. We have everything at Graceland, and just crunch it up. And then apply some more if you want to, especially for the ends. And then spray it a little bit. I like the frizzy kind of look, so this kind of gives that a beachy kind of look, that very messy frizzy look, but it looks very beautiful. And voila, it is just all done in less than 3 minutes.